Hello everyone, welcome to WLtoys channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the hidden problems that come with Aluminium Knuckle or wheel hub upgrade for the WLtoys 1/20th scale K989 series. Most of metal upgrades for this car give it problems rather than improve it. The only upgrade that you can bolt on without having to fix or adjust anything and make a real difference is the shock tower. It'll make the car tougher and the shock smoother. Another upgrade that makes the car better is the wheel hub or knuckle. This upgrade will also make the car tougher and has smoother steering and suspension. And that's why I only upgrade these two things. However, there are a few problems. These knuckles make the car lower because the ball heads have thick poles which don't allow much movement because they push against the suspension arms. Here's how you spot the problem. When you install the knuckle, put it in the lower arm first. If you can't line it up with the upper arm without lifting the lower arm, then you have this problem. This is how it should be. What you have to do is make the area under the ball head thinner. Basically, you have to make this into this. The way to fix this is easy, but you need some tools and some time. First, you need a Dremel or a drill. Then, an adapter head that can accept the M2 screw. Luckily, Dremel has exactly that. Now put the ball head in the adapter. Put it in the Dremel and spin it. And use a small round file to file the pole down. Here's the before. It is 2.8 millimeters. And after fixing, it is 2.5 millimeters. And here's a side-by-side comparison. Do this to all the heads that need more articulation. Well, at least you need to do 10. 6 for rear knuckles and 4 for front knuckles. The ball that connects to the servo doesn't really need this, but I did it anyway. Moving on to the next problem, the screws are too long and they interfere with the swing shaft, so you need to cut out the end of the screw on the small heads. This is how the knuckle should be after you put the ball heads on. You'll see that the screws are not sticking out too much inside. Once you are sure that everything is working correctly, you should also apply the thread lock to the screws so they won't come off while you are driving. Here's how you build the rear knuckle. You'll see the low point and the high point where you connect the toe linkage. Insert the long ball head into the side with the high point. You might also find that this upgrade increases the toe-in angle at the back, making the rear wheels pointing in more than before. You can fix this by raising the toe link up. What I do is adding M2 nut to the ball head before putting it on the knuckle. The front knuckles don't have high point or low point, so you can build them however you want. Now you'll see that I can line them all up without having to lift the lower arm. With this, I have fully working suspension, and the ride height is still the same as before. That's it for this video. I hope it is helpful. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook to see what I'm doing between videos, along with some quick updates. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.